about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. You click here on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for PicWish app, or just click on search. So then here at PicWish, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list, you just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do is so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all. I wish you a great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.